Assalamualaikum friends, this is Ahmed Khan from my YouTube channel Nature Plus Beauty Tips and Tricks. Today we have launched an exciting item for you all, and the item is Sun-Kissed Aloe Vera Gel. As you all know that how aloe vera is beneficial and advantageous for our skin health because it contains helpful substance called photolytical enzymes which repairs our dead skin cells. Likewise, when we are talking about this gel which contains pure aloe vera extract along with vitamin B, B35 and vitamin C which provides amazing and exciting benefits to our skin health. For example, it gives nourishment, moisture and soothing to our skin. But this gel is not only for beneficial for our skin as well as for our hair health because it also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching, reduces dandruff and conditioner. Now, how you will implement this gel on your skin? For example, let's start first with our face. When you wash your face with any face wash and after you dry your face and apply this gel on your face, you will get your result in 5 few minutes. You can also use this gel as a face spa. Likewise, आप किसी स्टील के कंटेनर में 2 और 3 कप्स हॉट वाटर लेते हैं और उसमें sufficiently 2 spoons इस जेल के डालते हैं and then you will take steam. So this process gives you complete relaxation and comfort to your health. And the same procedure for your skin and hair. After taking bath, when your hair gets dry, then you are supposed to implement this gel on your hair, which strengthens your hair health. So friends, I hope you will like this video and will enjoy this product. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe our channel and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.